In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new user in Salesforce Lightning Experience, a crucial skill for managing your organization's Salesforce environment. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you need to log into your Salesforce account. This step is the entry point to accessing all the features Salesforce has to offer, so ensure your credentials are ready. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the gear icon. Click on this icon to enter the setup area. This section is the hub for configuring and customizing your Salesforce environment to suit your organization's specific needs. Once you've accessed the setup page, you need to navigate to the Quick Find box, a handy search tool that streamlines the process of finding specific settings or features. Type in users to bring up the relevant page that manages user accounts. It's essential to remember that the user page is where you can view, edit, and maintain all user accounts within your organization. After locating the users page, you'll see an option labeled New User. Click on this to initiate the process of creating a new account, setting the groundwork for adding a team member or any other role required in your organization. Now, it's time to enter some foundational information for the new user, specifically their email. This email will be a critical touch point for communications and notifications, so double check its accuracy before proceeding. It's a good idea to confirm this information with the new user beforehand to avoid any mishaps down the line. Next up, you'll assign a role and profile to the new user. These are vital components in ensuring that the user has the correct permissions and access rights within Salesforce. The role defines the user's position in the hierarchy of your organization, while the profile determines what the user can see and do in Salesforce. Choose the options that best fit the new user's responsibilities and needs. Finally, with all the information entered and roles assigned, click on Send Invitation. This step sends an email to the new user with instructions on how to log in and get started on Salesforce. It's an important final touch that not only welcomes your new user, but also facilitates a smooth onboarding process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new user in Salesforce Lightning Experience. Remember, efficient user management is key to a well-functioning Salesforce environment. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more Salesforce training videos. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce managing.